Hey internet friends, let me show you a trick involving delay. Here we're using Ableton and Audio Effect Tracks, but we can do this in any of the DAWs, in one of 3 or 4 different ways. This is quite simply layering, creating 4 different layers. See there, 0% feedback and 100% wet on these 3 layers, the delayed layers. Now feedback means we hear the delay once, and 100% wet means we hear just the delay. The top layer is what we call dry, the original unprocessed sound. Also see those numbers there, the delay time in 16ths of a bar. So we hear the sound 4 times, the original, and then 3/16ths later, 4/16ths later, and 5/16ths later. See those level meters there for each layer. So instead of using feedback, we're creating the delay manually. If we used feedback, we'd hear this, long tail. Whereas here we're controlling the delay tail, creating it manually. Also see I've changed the gain, the level for each of these layers. And now you've probably also seen that I've EQ'd each layer differently. So each subsequent delay layer is EQ'd more. If it hasn't clicked yet, listen to this without EQ, and then with EQ again. Again, to help it click, let me solo just the bottom 2 layers. As I'm sure you can imagine, we could go crazy with this, applying a whole series of effects to each layer. I mean, just think of the possibilities. Panning, distortion, reverb, all different on each layer maybe. It's an idea into your brains. Marvelous. See, oh, there's a car outside. See you in the next one.